How to make your LG TV stop talking. So if your television is talking out loud to you, then this can get really annoying, and I'm going to show you how we can go in and disable this feature. Now it's really easy to do. We just need to bring up the settings menu on our television. So I'm going to press the settings button on my remote control. You can also press the home button, and from the LG home screen, you'll see the settings icon in the top right hand side. You can go and click on this to also bring up the settings. Now once you're on the settings, we're going to scroll all the way down on the left hand side and click on all settings. Then just wait a couple of seconds while it loads your settings. Now from here, we can scroll down once again to the general tab. And if we scroll over on the right hand side and come all the way down to the bottom of this navigation bar, you should have an option for accessibility. Click on this. And then you'll see audio guidance at the top of this window. Click on this. And just make sure this feature is turned off and disabled, as this is what's causing your television to talk to you. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful.